Hello, everyone. Do you know you can create this type of Instagram Reels using free AI tools? If you want to learn more about this, stay tuned with me until the last step. Step 1. Generating an image. To generate an image, I am going to use Leonardo AI. In this tool, you get 150 daily tokens daily to generate images for free. So first of all, choose number of images, dimensions, and aspect ratio. If you want to generate image from the reference image, you can also do this for the select image to image option. Okay? Now let's enter our prompt. You can use ChatGPT to write a perfect prompt for your image and then click on Generate. All right? Here, Leonardo. Generate 2 images for us. Let's choose one of this and download it. Now, let's move ahead with another step. Step 2, generating script. To generate a script, I'm going to use a IRPM ChatGPT so it gives unique and accurate results. All right, let's select the motivational quotes option from here and ask to write 3 qualities of successful people. So here, as usual, ChatGPT gives us 3 qualities in just a second. Okay, let's move to another step. Step 3, generating talking video. For this, I'll use Vidno's AI. Currently, it's completely free, so we can create multiple reels using this AI tool. Here we can use this avatar, and we can also change the background color. Or we can also upload our own photo. So I already uploaded my avatar photo. Now to enter the script, let's go back to the ChatGPT and copy the script and paste it here. Then select the language, voiceover, and speed, and then click on Generate. It takes a couple of minutes to generate, so it's ready now. Let's download this. Now, step 4 is adding subtitles. For this, we are going to use FlexClip free AI video editor. Now, all we have to do is just upload the video, which we generate in Vidno's. Then select the subtitles option, and then click on Auto Subtitles. Then we have to choose a language, and then click on Next. You can add it in a single line or double line, it's up to you. So here I am going to choose this style for my video. Let's generate it. All right, our subtitles are added, as we can see here. Then adjust the exact size, colors, fonts. Now let's see how it looks.
These of successful people. Number 1, success.
Okay, now let's export this. If you are using a free account, you can download it in 720, or if you have a paid version, you can download in 1080p. So our video is ready. Let's download this. So this is how we can create viral Instagram Reels. If you learned something new, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, or also share your thought regarding this in comment section. Bye-bye, take care.